I feel very excited, particularly ecstatic.
We're so lucky that we're the 100th batch from ICCA to be here.
I'm really proud and I'm so happy.
And we can't wait for the show to begin.
Hi guys, my name is Dan. You're joining us at the Cookery Challenge. Let's go and have a look around and see what people are getting up to. So guys, we're now backstage where all of the mise-en-place is getting ready for all of the shows. So let me just give you a little bit of a tour. So everyone is getting everything ready for all of the shows this afternoon. And actually right here we've got MJ, who is the head of mise-en-place. And how is the preparation going?
Preparation, we're almost like done before lunch, so pretty much everything's ready for all of the demos.
That's great. So once the demos start, you won't have to do anything else. You've got everything ready already.
Yep.
That's brilliant, guys. So now as we move back here, we've got all of the equipment team. So this is the team that me and P are in charge of. So basically what we do here is just get all the equipment out for all the demos. We've got 12 stations, so we need to make sure they're all ready because the public, they're not happy if they don't have all of their equipment.
The energy was electrifying, the people were receptive, and that's what you want. I think what I want to say to the ICCA students is that keep going, follow your passion. Congratulations for being the batch 100 students. Absolutely amazing. Keep striking high for your goals, and can't wait to read about you and hear about you and the rest of the world.
So, Chef, how are we doing at the moment? Are we getting everything ready? Are we doing good?
Yeah, you guys have been performing over and above the call of duty. It's been absolutely amazing. Work performance at the speed, at the turnaround speed. It has been an absolute pleasure working with you guys this year. It's been really, really wonderful.
Thanks, Chef. So that's backstage. That's everything we have to do. We are so busy at the moment, so I'm going to have to get you to leave because we can't have this many people in. So please go out.
Stay if you want.
No, you can't.
Hi, this is Najai and welcome to Chef's Theatre in Taste of Dubai. Welcome to our tenant. These are our chefs. We prepare our meals over here on this table and our ingredients here, and everything is ready for the chefs to go on time. Tatiana, how are you? How was Chef Theatre today with you?
Very good. We're having lots of fun, lots of food. Yes, we're enjoying a lot.
And what we are doing right now?
We're doing hummus now.
Oh, so delicious.
So Chef Theatre is very nice this year. I mean, we have a wonderful bunch of students. They're all doing really well. I mean, I'm very pleased with it.
So everything is going super well in the back. All our young chefs, all our students are doing so well. We're just looking forward to actually closing this event with a big bang.
If I have a nice message or advice to say to all the students is never give up. You guys are in an amazing school. You have all the tools that you need to be successful. Just embrace it. Take all the challenges you have and never give up.
I'd also like to say it's an honour to be working with the 100th batch of students with the ICCA. Congratulations.
That's all for the Chef's Theatre, and now let's moving on to the next feature.
Hello. Hi, I'm Karen.
And I'm Sulaiman.
Yes, so we are here at the Big Baking Tent. We're here to show you the behind the scenes of the Big Baking Tent. Let's go. We'll show you what it is to work inside the Big Baking Tent at Taste of Dubai.
come. Let's see
we'll show
inside.
you our kitchen.
Yeah. So this is the stock here. We have like all the ingredients, dry ingredients. So here is the stove for reheat stuff and everything. Come.
So here we have students working. We have Kalina who's plating. Kalina, say hi.
Welcome.
Hello.
Hello.
So how is working with the chef Sabine?
Amazing,
The
amazing.
silent chef, of course.
Of course, he's silent, but full of talent.
Yeah, of
Full of
course,
talent,
yeah.
yeah. I really enjoyed working with her. I hope I get opportunity to work with her again in future, inshallah, as we say.
It was very smooth, yes, and it was smooth because of you guys, really. Really, you all performed very well.
The experience is wonderful, especially with you guys. You made it even much more joyful, amazing
thank you.
experience.
And the most amazing prep, guys. Really. It was like clockwork, and it was smooth, and it was fabulous.
This is how the features are here for Big Baking Tent. That's all we had to show for you. See you there. Bye-bye.